Store cleaning supplies in a rolling trash can with a clear, intentional layout so every item is easy to grab and return. Start by assigning fixed zones inside the can for types of items so you always know where to find what you need. Use a durable caddy bag with multiple sections that fits snugly inside the can and creates vertical and horizontal divisions for sprays, cloths, disposable gloves, and small tools. Place most frequently used items on the outermost or top section so you can reach them without removing the whole caddy bag. For liquids, keep bottles upright in a stable compartment and use short retention straps or elastic loops to prevent tipping while the can moves. Store flat items like microfiber cloths and dusting pads in a shallow pocket so they stay dry and are easy to pull out one at a time. Label every compartment with clear text so replacements go back into the correct spot and new staff learn your system quickly. Common problems include spills from unsecured bottles, which you prevent by always storing liquids in upright compartments with straps or a separate sealed pouch. Another issue is wasted time hunting for items when compartments are mixed, so keep similar items together and enforce a one item per slot rule to reduce clutter and speed restocking. A third concern is cross-contamination when cleaning cloths get mixed with fresh ones, so use color-coded pockets or physically separate dirty and clean cloth storage and rotate cloths by date or use. On bighomeprojects.com, we help homeowners find local contractors and contractors find jobs related to office cleaning and other projects. We also host a discussion community where our users share tips, layouts, and photos so teams can compare setups and improve their own supply organization.